Is your Lincoln MKX alarm randomly activating? The most common culprits are the door ajar sensor, the hood switch, or the key fob. First, check that all doors are fully closed. Even a slight gap can trigger the alarm. Use a multimeter to check electrical continuity. It should read close to 0 ohms when the door is closed. Next, examine the hood switch. Make sure the plunger is fully depressed when the hood is closed. Finally, consider the key fob. Battery depletion or interference can cause issues. These steps address over 90% of false alarm triggers. Once you've identified the issue, you can often fix it yourself. For door ajar problems, clean or replace the faulty microswitch, typically a $15 part. Numerous online tutorials on YouTube and iFixit demonstrate this process. If the hood switch is the problem, lubricating the plunger or adjusting its position might solve it. If not, replacement switches are also inexpensive. For key fob issues, try replacing the battery first. If that doesn't work, you may need to reprogram the fob. Some models allow for DIY reprogramming via the driver's door module. Others require a visit to a dealership. Remember to disconnect the battery before working on any electrical components. If these solutions don't work, the issue might be with the body control module, which may require professional diagnosis and repair.